Here is Marduk, all set for the implementation of the rotating hips, which is going to be a wooden framework right underneath that it rests on, rotates in the center around a central bolt and casters, so it spins around sort of like an office chair. The dust coverings here are held on with Velcro, so they're easy to take on and off. Put some treading on top of this so it makes it a little more waterproof and looks nice. Have some back detail with this random bit that was supposed to be a shin. And a bit of a stepladder sort of thing, so when it's up on its feet, which are still over there, the engineer or handler, whatever you can call him, can climb right up the back of Marduk and do the connection of the cables. Probably going to add some handles on either side so it's a little easier to grab a hold of. I'm keeping the other arm off for now because I'm too lazy to take it out of my van. But Marduk is recovered from the attempt to squish it into my van, so hopefully can get some neat rotating torso action out of it soon. So until next time, bye bye.